Hello, this is David. He is responsible for new technology in the aerospace industry and so far isn't enjoying his day. His clients want him to develop an unmanned aircraft so they can fly payloads across the skies anywhere in the world. Only problem is, he can't deliver. Then, a friend put David on to HybridSkys, a company that has developed multi-rotor aircraft technology to carry more weight and fly for longer than anyone else. Their patented mixed rotor technology will improve any multi-rotor aircraft and can be optimized for any client's mission, which means we can assist your engineers to quickly iterate your product to be world-leading, all without any of the risk and cost of 3 years hardware R&D. Our mixed rotor technology is the key to fuel-electric hybridization for industrial and tactical multi-rotor aircraft, pushing flight times to several hours instead of a few minutes. HybridSkys technology is first class, and by adopting this system, your aircraft will be a world leader, leaving your competition stranded on the ground. If you are in need of revolutionary UAV technology to outperform the competition in terms of flight time, payload, versatility and innovation, you need to contact HybridSkys today.